Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to play online in chess.com. Open the chess.com application. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Playing online is very simple. Tap on the option play that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to start the game. You can see various options over here. Simply tap on the field of duration. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. After you do that, tap on this option Start Game. Now you can see over here it is searching for the players online. You can simply play with them. Like this, you'll be able to play with someone online. So that is how you play online in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.